Drive mode is the default automatic setting for everyday driving. The DSG selects gears automatically based on throttle input, vehicle speed, and engine load. It prioritizes fuel efficiency and smooth operation, making it ideal for normal driving conditions. The car automatically shifts gears to optimize efficiency for highway cruising and city traffic. Sport mode provides more responsive acceleration by making the transmission hold lower gears longer. This allows the engine to rev higher before shifting up, giving you quicker access to power. In sport mode, the transmission holds gears longer, keeping you in lower ratios for better acceleration. This means more torque available at the wheels. The engine revs higher before shifting, maintaining performance and responsiveness. You'll notice the car feels more eager to accelerate. Sport mode also adjusts the throttle mapping for a sportier feel, making the accelerator more sensitive to your inputs. To activate sport mode, use the gear selector by pulling it towards you, or press the S button on the console. The instrument cluster will show S mode. Manual mode gives you full control over gear selection using paddle shifters on the steering wheel or a sequential shifter. You can manually upshift and downshift. While you have control, the system may intervene to prevent engine damage by automatically shifting if rev limits are reached, useful for overtaking or descending hills. To switch between modes in the Skoda Superb III, start with the vehicle in park. Shift the selector to D for normal automatic driving, which provides smooth and efficient operation. For sport mode, which enhances performance with firmer shifts, either pull the gear selector towards you or press the S button on the console. To enter manual mode, shift to M on the selector. Then use the plus and minus paddle shifters on the steering wheel to manually select gears for precise control. In plug-in hybrid electric vehicle models, drive mode prioritizes hybrid efficiency for better fuel economy, while sport mode utilizes more electric power for dynamic performance. When using manual mode in the Skoda Superb III's DSG transmission, avoid abrupt throttle changes to minimize clutch wear. The DSG uses wet clutches cooled by oil for durability, which is especially important in sport mode, but applies here too. The system employs sensor data from wheel speed and accelerator position for predictive shifting, ensuring smooth operation. Be aware of rev limits to prevent automatic shifting, which protects the engine from damage. In urban driving, using drive mode in electric-only settings of plug-in hybrid models significantly improves efficiency. User reviews consistently highlight how sport mode enhances performance and responsiveness when driving on twisty roads. In safety tests, sport mode has demonstrated effectiveness in preventing collisions by maintaining lower gears for quick evasive maneuvers. Manual mode can significantly reduce brake wear during mountain descents by allowing precise control through engine braking. The future of transmissions is trending towards electrification and autonomous driving. Expect to see more hybrid integration and potentially a phase-out of the DSG in favor of single-gear electric systems in all-electric models post-2030. Over-the-air updates and AI-driven maintenance will improve performance and reliability. The DSG is evolving to be software-defined, offering seamless and efficient powertrains.